Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Messenger not showing marketplace messages, right? So how you can fix it right in your phone. So the very first thing, you have to just open your Facebook and Messenger app. You should have both the apps in your phone, right? As you can see here. So you have to just click and hold, and you have to go to the app info, and after that you have to go to the storage usage. You can also go from the setting tool, and here you have to clear all the cache, and after clearing all the cache you have to clear all the data, right? So after clearing all the data, you have to re-log in into the Messenger app, and this will unload and delete all the wasteful data that is making slow to your mobile application, right? And you have to do the same thing with the Facebook app, because these both the app are interconnected to each other. Here you have to just go to the user storage usage, and you have to do the same thing, right? And after that you have to just go to the back, and you have to go to the Play Store, and if you're using an iOS, then just go to the App Store and make sure to update both the apps, right? And here you have to go to the search bar, and here you have to type Messenger, right? And after typing Messenger you have to update it. So if you get an option of update in the place of open, you have to update it, and same thing you have to do with the Facebook, right? So on the search bar you have to type Facebook, and here as you can see here that you have to update the app, right? So here we will update the app, and this will fix all our problem, right? So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really useful. If you really like this video right now, subscribe our channel, and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.